Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a universe. To begin, gather your fundamental ingredients, immense energy and the fabric of space-time. Understand that the initial conditions are paramount for cosmic creation. Prepare yourself for an extraordinary journey through billions of years of cosmic evolution, where simple elements transform into complex structures. This recipe requires patience and an appreciation for the grand scale of the cosmos. Our cosmic recipe starts with a singularity, an incredibly dense and hot point. You'll need vast amounts of pure energy, equivalent to all the matter and dark energy that will ever exist. Don't forget the fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, which are essential for shaping everything. These are the raw materials for your universe, ready for the next step. Now for the cooking process. Initiate a rapid expansion, known as inflation, occurring within a tiny fraction of a second. As your universe expands, allow it to cool dramatically, enabling elementary particles to form. After about 380,000 years, hydrogen and helium atoms will emerge, forming the basic building blocks of everything to come. This cooling is crucial for structure formation. Finally, it's time to add the cosmic flavor. Gravity will gently pull the hydrogen and helium into the first stars and galaxies, igniting the universe. Inside these stars, nuclear fusion will create heavier elements, enriching your cosmic mixture. Over billions of years, these elements will combine to form planets, and potentially life itself, completing your magnificent universe with all its intricate details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.